Ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen. Get ready. You wanna battle me? You must be crazy. Old school. Let's get it.
Check. And you know what was so even more embarrassing than that last round? Was the round he just did. In fact, it's pretty much a joke. Don't ever make me laugh. You're a joke.
Joke.